Hello everybody, and we're at the old dinner train location. This little path here used to be the railroad. The train would probably stop right here. Right where this plot is right there used to be a station there. This parking lot's been here for a while. Gonna ride our bikes over to American Plastic Toys. Check out that area. That's Pontiac Trail over there. Alright. This posts have been up there since the dinner train been around. And this loom building, yeah, that was just built. It used to be a barrack looking building from like the Navy or something. They got rid of it. This used to be a Dave and Amy's. When the dinner train was around, it used to be a Big Boy, which is something you guys probably never heard of.